Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we welcome you to our talk show, The Inspiring People India. I'll introduce myself. I'm Bharat Manocha. I'm 39 years old, a sales and marketing professional, turned into an entrepreneur, and now a social media marketer and a life coach. Today, we are introducing to Mrs. Yogita Labra to you, who is a bioprocess technician, then become a life coach and a happiness coach, and also she is a Vedic maths tutor. So as they will tell you that how we can deal with our failures, how we can overcome with our failures, how we can deal with the things which happen in our life, right? So first of all, I will just welcome ma'am. uh, Welcome to the talk show.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the warm introduction.
Thanks a
And
lot.
it is very nice to be here.
Thanks. So, ma'am, first of all, we just want to know about yourself.
Okay. Uh, Hello, everyone. I am Mrs. Yogita Labrat Dhore. I am a bioprocess technologist by profession. I have completed my B Pharmacy and MTech in bioprocess technology, and I'm currently pursuing my PhD in bioprocess technology. Also, I am a mother to a baby, a very loving and very active baby girl. She is 1.5 years old, and I am a wife to a very handsome and also a very generous husband. And I am daughter to my beautiful parents who are always supportive to me. And I am pursuing PhD in bioprocess technology. Apart from that, I am working as a Vedic maths teacher, which I had learned in my school days, and also I am working as a happiness coach to help people to be in their good positions.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
ma'am. That's so nice. Nice, ma'am. That's nice. So, ma'am, as you tell that you are a happiness coach, right? So, first of all, we just want to know that what makes you work on creating happiness.
Um, okay, so it is a very interesting thing to do, and there are many people who need guidance to be happy in their life. And I had also many setbacks in my life, and through means when I was having those setbacks, like I also feel that I should also have someone to guide me to be out of those setbacks. And when I was having setbacks, that time my parents were like thinking that I should be a happy version of myself, and I was thinking that I should have the things which will make me happy. So
Okay.
like I started means realizing that means my parents will be proud when I will be happy. So same way I feel that others also sh- I should make them realize that happiness is like when you are having something, it is not that happiness, but when you are really being in your happiness zone, realizing to be happy or be yourself, then you become a happy version of yourself. Yes.
Okay, that's so great, ma'am. That's so great. So, ma'am, who inspire you? First of all, we just want to know that who inspire you to become a happiness coach. Who is your inspiration?
My uh, Actually, the journey of my life is the biggest inspiration. Apart from that, I wanted to see my parents be proud, and my parents were going to be proud only when I was going to be happy. So, my mother is my biggest inspiration. Further, I have
Okay.
been connected to different organizations where I got inspiration that living a life, a good life, is like by being happy version of yourself. So I have been part of many organizations like ISKCON, Art of Living, Isha Foundation, and also I follow many inspirational leaders on Insta page, Facebook pages, and like Pooja Punit ma'am is there. then Coach BSR is there. So all these people are like inspirations to me. Then also Tony Robbins and many great people who are doing well in creating happiness in others' life. So all these are my inspirations to be a happiness coach.
Okay, that's so great. And ma'am, as today we are talking on a topic, how to deal with failure, right? So first of all, what is failure according to you?
Now I feel okay. So failure is something where one knows that someone is wrong in some area, and he is not able to work on that. Means he is giving it up, and that is called as failure. As
Okay,
such, if someone is working on one's mistakes, then it is not a failure. It is still a journey which which will get revealed sooner as a success. So that is what I think failure is.
okay. And how we can overcome out of that? Let's suppose there is a
Uh,
failure in a life, how we can overcome out of
okay. First of all, it is always one should permit oneself to fail in life. It is not, one should not restrict like you should always success, you should always have a success in your life. Then like looking at the outcomes, like a way of looking at the outcomes, like you will always not have positive results in your whatever journey you are doing. So having that look at the side of the coin which is negative, means not means we have to be positive, but also we should be flexible with the negativity which can happen in that. Means so that it will be one has to be very flexible with the outcomes. um, Further, one has to be very patient with oneself, because creating happiness, or creating one getting oneself out of the failures, one should have dedication to work on what is required. First of all, finding the mistakes where one is going wrong. It may be like oneself cannot find the mistakes. There may be a need of any mentor. It may be a paid mentor, or it may be a mentor who is uh, means you're holding on. Okay, so these things are very much required. Further, ask for help. One should always not keep oneself alone during any handling of the failures. One should always ask for help, be in a good company, people, where one will get encouraged, and rather than discouraged. So, yes, so one should leave the people who are discouraging you towards your goals. Okay, and that I think these are the things where a person needs to work, like to deal with the failures. So these are not very easy. These are easy to say, but these comes with practice and guidance. Okay, because when a person himself is in that situation, he cannot think about how to be out of that. But other people can guide him exactly which area he has to work in, which area needs. Yes, sir.
So, ma'am, as here we just came to know that how we can overcome out of the failures, how we can deal with our failures, right? So, do you think that it is necessary to fail in life once or anytime?
No, I don't think that it is necessary to fail in life, because there are many people in my observation who have not failed, and just they are following some um, steps, like asking people, taking the experience with people opinions of the experienced people. So it is not always necessary to fail, but if one is failing, and one should be really patting one's back. Like if you have failed and you have tried yourself to be out of that failure, then it is a great thing to happen. You should congratulate yourself on that matter. And but it is like uh, maybe like sometimes it is okay failing and moving ahead, and rather yeah, rather than doing nothing, it's trying,
Right,
you are trying, right?
right,
Yes. Any new thing always you will not have people to guide you. So if you are doing a new thing, it may happen that you will fail. If no
okay,
background, you do not have any background, you do not have any support, then it is okay to be failed. So that way it is necessary. It is necessary to fail. But like always, it is not necessary that you have to fail.
okay. Uh, Ma'am, tell us one thing that what makes someone feel a failure means what makes one fail in life? What do you think about that?
Okay. I think failure in life, it's a very big thing. It is like the end. I feel someone is ending one's life, doing suicide or something, like getting towards the drugs, addiction to the drugs and all. Maybe it is very difficult for a person who is getting addicted to the drugs and all to be out of the failure, but one day he'll come out. But doing suicide and all is surely something which is related to complete failure towards life. Nothing else is like failing in life, because if one is trying something and doing something else also apart from what he was supposed to do, and he is trying to build his self or herself, then it is not a failure. So basically there is like I feel that there are different areas in life, career area, professional career or family career, like motherhood or fatherhood career, then being a good daughter-in-law career. So all these different careers, and financial career is there, then a social career is there, like having good relationships with someone. All all these things are there which are required for one to be like success, okay, to be a success. So like working on these things means maybe someone will be behind in certain areas, like financially someone will be not good at, but he has a good family, and he has something good related to his own personality. So whatever is good, one is good at, you should take the advantage of that. You should maintain that and work on whatever is not good in one's life. So that way I feel that this question I have answered right now.
Exactly, ma'am. Exactly. Thanks. Ma'am,
Yes.
as there are n number of people who just fail in lives, right? But they again just try and everything, right? But there are few people who often leads to failure. Can you just specify some personality traits who often lead to failure?
Okay. Uh, yes, I feel that having a negative mindset, that I will never be able to overcome the thing, like whatever mistakes I have done, I will be never working on those mistakes. Um, that may lead to the one thing, that is failure, and not taking responsibility, like being very lenient, leaving the things to someone else. Okay, all these things can relate to try it, like a personality which will obviously go into failure. Further, fearing to try something, like he is not very keen to try something, having always that negative mindset. Yeah, I will not do. Array, because what is the scope in this area? अरे मैं तो फेल होने वाला ही हूँ. All these things, if one has in one's own mind, then like he will be failure. Also, like I feel uh, means being with the setbacks, like पीछे जाना all the time कि ये ऐसे हुआ था तो आगे भी ऐसे ही होगा, ऐसा all this thinking can create a personality which is, I feel, will lead
Often
to a
leads to
failure.
failure.
But
Okay.
yes, yes. And having always like bad habits, watching like TV, unnecessary Netflix and all. Now it's growing. People are engaged
Yeah,
in all those things. Yes, and so wasting their time, like being a consumer of social media rather than giving something to the social media. These people these days are consuming a lot from social media, and creating a personality like lousy personality,
exactly.
like yes. So such personality will think like it's okay, क्या करना है आगे जाके. So it will be, अभी ये इसमें काम नहीं हुआ मेरा, अभी आगे जाके मुझे करना भी नहीं है. That is all
Mhm.
what the mindset becomes, and it is a obvious thing that we will never work towards creating something. So that is the thing, I feel. These are the personality traits, I feel.
Okay. Ma'am, can you tell some differences about in regret and failure, and what is worse, a regret or a failure?
Okay. So I feel that something failure is something uh, which can be overcome, but regret is something which cannot be overcome. Uh, Pachhtana, right? Regret means
Right,
pachhtana.
right,
A person is always regretting, अरे ऐसा हो गया, ऐसा हो गया, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, और कुछ नहीं कर सकते, अभी मैं कुछ करूंगा ही नहीं इसके बारे में, ये अभी ऐसा ही होने वाला है, just leave it. That's what is called as regret, I feel. And regret is the worst thing, I think, rather than failure. Failure से कुछ सीखते हैं, and सीख के वो करेक्ट भी करते हैं. It is like correcting the mistakes and then going ahead. Not a
right.
bad thing, but regret, no one is caring about me. Let it be, let it go. All these things is worst. So
Right, 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 right. So, ma'am, tell us one more thing here. As you told us that what is failure, how to deal with failures, how we can overcome from our failures. Absolutely, everything is fine. Everything is fine here. We just want to understand that whether the failure is a thing from which we can overcome fastly, or we just want to know one thing: is there any specific technique, or is there any specific way by which one can just overcome out of the failure very fastly? Because see, it happens, ma'am, whenever somebody failure in life, right? So always there is a negative thought comes in our mind that nahi yaar, it doesn't goes well, pata nahi aage kya hoga mere sath, this happened to me. So is there any way by which one can just overcome fastly?
yes, like balancing one's life, like sectors, different sectors of life. Uh, there are, like we discussed in the previous questions
Right,
also, and there are different sectors in our life. Not just career is one sector, but finances, career, social sector, health is there. All these sectors one wants to be fit in, means one wants
right,
to be perfect in all these sections. So means one always feels that if one thing is lagging, like something health related is lagging in one's life, then one feels that it is uh, one is behind. Okay, so all these sectors needs to be balanced. So
Right.
understanding first of all which sector one is poor at, that will help one to work on that sectors, maintaining the other sectors, just not working on what is one behind. Like तो पूरा टाइम वो तो वरी करता रहेगा कि बाबा अभी यही एरिया में मुझे काम करना है कि मेरा अभी फाइनेंसिस अच्छा नहीं है, अभी मेरा फाइनेंसिस अच्छा नहीं है, मुझे फाइनेंसिस पे ही काम करना है. Like this will be his mentality. But
Right.
and his focus, whatever like caring for his family and all will go. He will say that नहीं आज तो पैसा ही कमाऊंगा लाइफ में, सिर्फ पैसा 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 करता रहेगा, एंड देन ही लीव द फैमिली व्हिच इज गोल्डन माइन, एंड देन ही विल रन बिहाइंड व्हाट इज not possible, because family is a good support for one to be ahead every time. So like जो है वो छोड़ना नहीं है, पर जो नहीं है उसके लिए वर्क करना है. मे बी इट विल टेक
Right.
लॉन्ग टाइम.
We have to create a
Yes.
balance between everything.
Yes. So balance lana, like people say that, often say that work life balance lao, work and life balance. So life se matlab kya hai? Life is all these things: being social, being family, with family, having good relationships. If your relationships are good, then you can have a good life, right? So this
Exactly.
is the balance one should work on.
Thanks, ma'am. And
Yes.
a last question, ma'am. Last question for you.
Okay.
What it takes to be Mrs. Yogita Lebrath?
Okay. It
You are
takes
a
a
happiness coach.
life
You are a
journey.
Vedic math tutor. You have done so many things in your life. So we just want to know that what it takes to be Mrs. Yogita Lebrath.
Just my life journey, and I would say yes, and I would say like family, my family, like my husband support, my mother's support, my mother-in-law's support, my father-in-law's support, my sister-in-law's support, then my cousin's support. Everyone has involved. Further, my teachers. Like I would like to tell, like your institution, inspiration of inspiring people
Inspiring
India,
people India.
is
Right.
also all this is like together, which has come to create something, is me, like my journey. Basically, it's my journey. Yes.
Okay. Uh, we just want to thanks, ma'am. Thank you for sparing some time for this talk show. And further, ladies and gentlemen, we want to tell you that Mrs. Yogita Lebrath, they started their journey as a bioprocess technician. Then they are doing their PhD in the same way. And after that, as they told us that how their journey actually inspired them to become a happiness coach. Today we just learned with them how we can deal with our failures and all such things. So guys, if you have any sort of questions about the things, please comment or follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and on LinkedIn too. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks a lot.